guys? It's Cuban Carmen, and it's been a while. But we out here doing our bike ride. I'll show you guys. He's standing up on his bike. Look at him. Be careful. It literally took 3 days for him to learn how to ride his bike without training wheels. And he's only 6. Which is good. My daughter's back there. I don't know if you guys can see her. She's playing her little music. But we out here enjoying this beautiful weather. I know it's been a long time. I'm not gonna talk a lot on this video, but I'm still on my weight journey. Let me put my glasses up if I can. Hold on 1 second. Okay, guys, I have to fix my glasses. Woo! Thought it was a bug. Hope ain't no bug landed. These bugs out here is crazy. Look all these trees and stuff. What in the world? Somebody up there. So there's houses behind these bushes and stuff, and our house is on the other side. So yeah, he's here riding his bike, right? So we do like 2 miles. So it's really nice. I'm gonna show you guys if I can. This big old, I can't, you guys. But look at those clouds. So he's standing up, riding his bike, and then he'll sit down. And then my daughter be in the back playing her music, and then she'll try to like catch up. Or I try to catch up with them because they be trying to race. But there's butterflies out here, really pretty butterflies. There's like this one butterfly. It's a white butterfly that I see once in a while, and I looked it up. And if you've been watching my videos for a while, my brother was killed. So when I see a white butterfly, I looked it up, and it said that it's I guess a sign of your loved one, that it's your loved one is in peace, and it's, you know, I'm not quite sure exactly what it said, but I know it had something to do with your loved one that's watching over you and stuff like that. So, which is a really nice, like, peaceful thing to know. So anyway, I'm gonna say bye, you guys. Say bye. Say bye, bub. Alright, you guys, I'll see you guys on my next one. Hopefully it'll be a haul, but I'm still here, and I haven't put any videos out. So yeah, but you guys enjoy you guys' week. It's Wednesday today. I'm not sure if I'm gonna post this today, but look at that cloud over there. Do you see it? I hope you guys seen it. Come on, let's go. But yeah, I'll see you guys on my next one.